Guess who's back? Stevie DVD in VR 4K HD HD 360. Just doing a video for people out there who wonder, oh, how high is that drone? And is it invading my privacy? And at what height do you consider it invading your privacy? So I'm going to do a little video of this DJI Mini 2. They're very small. I mean, my fingers virtually cover it. I'm going to do a little height test and a noise test that people keep complaining about. Oh, they're too noisy. Oh, it's invading my privacy. We should see, shall we? Right, the height at the moment as it stands is 0 meters because ground is the bench as far as it's concerned at the moment. So we'll take off and do a couple of checks. So let's add a meter. So if I go 9 meters, it would be 10 meters. So let's do this.
Home point updated.
Right, that's 10 meters, maybe 11 because of the bench. There's the noise and there's the height. Let's go up to 20 meters. I'll just move it forward a bit so we can see it on the video camera a bit more. And there's your 20 meters mark. And the sound, as you can hear. Well, let's go up to 30. Well, 31. I'll fly it forward because you won't be able to see it. Right, it's 30 meters up there. 30 meters. Nice view. Nice view. Let's go 40 meters. Well, I can hardly hear it. There you go, you can see that in between the trees there. I just moved it forward a bit for us so you can see it easier. Okay, now 50 meters. I don't usually start videoing until 50 meters, just out of courtesy. I think you can still spot it just about. So that's 50 meters. Now I'm gonna see what we can actually see at 50 meters to see if you feel your privacy is being invaded. See at 50 meters. Meters. I'm going to bring it back over us. Now I'm going to have a look down. $50 meters. I'm going to start bringing it down now. Oh, that's 40 meters. Yeah, I don't think my privacy has been invaded really. 30, no, you can't recognise me or anything I'm doing. Of course I can zoom, let's zoom. I can probably be able to spot some things, but I'd have to know what they are first. I can't see what anyone's doing. 30 metres. See, I would say the 20 metre mark is a little bit on the edge of invading. Other than that, I think 30 metres is quite fine. And 30 metres right above me is something like this. So yeah, I don't know. Some people. Alright, like and subscribe.